हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके पास एक टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ जो कि आईसीसी का टॉपिक है, बॉयल्स लॉ। बॉयल्स लॉ। बॉयल्स लॉ एक ऐसा लॉ है जिसमें कि वेलोसिटी वॉल्यूम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द प्रेशर. Volume is inversely proportional to the pressure of a given mass. Of a given mass. Okay? Of a given mass. Condition provided that the temperature. Condition provided that temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. So Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to the pressure of a given mass. Condition provided that the temperature is constant. Temperature should constant, right? That means temperature it will not change, so there is no value of temperature here. Only we will see this volume and pressure, which is inversely proportional to each other. Now let's derive the equation of a Boyle's law. Equation of a Boyle's law. Now as we know, students, that volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. Volume inversely proportional at pressure. Right? Inversely proportional. What do you mean by inversely proportional? That means if the volume will increase, pressure will decrease, and if the volume will decrease, pressure will increase. This is the inversely proportional meaning of inversely proportional. Inversely proportional का मतलब है कि वॉल्यूम अगर इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है प्रेशर से, या प्रेशर अगर इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है वॉल्यूम से, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वॉल्यूम जब बढ़ेगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गैस, ठीक है, जब बढ़ेगा तो प्रेशर ऑफ अ गैस घटेगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गैस जब घटेगा प्रेशर ऑफ अ गैस बढ़ेगा. यही इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. सो लेट्स सी, वॉल्यूम इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द pressure of a gas. Volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of a gas. So volume is equals to K into 1 by P. Now K is what? Here K is constant. K is what? Constant, right? K is constant. So V is equals to K into 1 by P. K into 1 by P, where K is constant, right? Where K is constant. So what we can see, that when we remove the proportional sign, it will come to equal to, and the constant sign, it is included. Constant sign we have put K into 1 by P, right? So volume, volume is equals to K into K by P, that is K into 1 by P, K by P, right? Volume is equals to, right? Now if we take V1 as the volume of the first gas, V2 volume of the second gas, likewise P1 pressure of the first gas, and P2 is the pressure of the second gas, right? Now we can write from this V equals to K by P. From this we can write V1 is equals to K by P1. Likewise V2 is equals to K by P2. Okay, now here V1 is equals to K by P1. We can write V1 into P1 is equals to K, and V2 into P2 is equals to K. That means V2 into P2 is equals to K, and V1 into P1 is also equal to what? K. Both are equal to K. So we can write that V1 into P1 is equals to V2 into P2. That means if we correctly write P1 V1, that is, we have arranged it. It is not V1 P1 is equals to P1 V2. Both are same, right? Mathematically both are same. So P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So this is the required Boyle's law equation. This is the equation of Boyle's law. This is the equation of what, students? Equation of Boyle's law, and this, the derivation has been completed here. Okay. So derivation has been completed. So what is equation of Boyle's law? We have discussed that V1 is equals to K by P1, V2 equals to K by P2. So P2 will be cross multiplied, P1 and P2 will be cross multiplied with V1 and V2, and we got V1 into P1 is equals to K, and V2 into P2 is equals to K. So both are K. So V1 into P1 is equals to V2 into P2, right? So we can say P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. So this is the equation of Boyle's law. Any doubts, students? So hope you have understood this equation of Boyle's law. In next video we will see about the numericals of Boyle's law. Okay. I will try to complete this Boyle's law in 1 or 2 classes more. 1 to 2 classes I will need, and the numericals of Boyle's law will be completed. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.